Okay, let's start the video with a correction. So, yeah, Ziggy is, we're inside now. See if I can get a little bit of video. My phone's wanting to die, but Ziggy's being a little bit bossy with Bella, but I can tell part of it is vocal, and part of it is it's what I would call a, let's see, how would I word it? Kind of an admiring bossy, a somewhat playful bossy. Ziggy, no humping. Good boy, good boy. Bella gets weirded out when he tries to hump her, so. And as you saw a second ago, she was kind of spinning as he was sniffing her rear. And that's usually the sign of, well, sometimes it can be a sign of, Ziggy, don't hump. Good boy. Good boy. Can you play with the girls? Usually that's a sign of, or it can be a sign of a dog that's not confident. I always say they don't want to give out their number just yet. They're not feeling comfortable enough. I think also Bella was spinning because Ziggy's tried to hump her a few times, and so she was trying to not offer that end. Humping is a very common doggy behavior, although in daycare scenarios, we don't want it to be something that becomes habitual, or that is allowed. It's not something that's allowed. It can offend other dogs. Good boy, Ziggy. Good. He's listening to me really well, so it'll take him a little bit of time. That's kind of all he can think about at the moment, but he's listening really well, so that's good. But yeah, sometimes the other dog will get annoyed, and then another thing is that usually dogs that do this, if you let them just do it without, you know, keeping it in line, then it'll get out of hand. Good shake, Ziggy. I like seeing shakes on the dogs, and Bella's going to jump up. I like seeing the dogs shake because that means they're just letting a little bit of energy go. Bella found a random toy of Kira's. Hey, 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 let's not be possessive. Come on. So if you see Ziggy came to inspect and Bella kind of grabbed at the toy, that's a stain of paint, by the way. We just recently painted. We'll be taking the... So I got out another toy. But yeah, she had the toy, and when Ziggy came to check it out, she kind of bit at the toy. Suddenly, Bella has some very mild possession issues, but so far we've been able to kind of manage that. Betsy so far is just sniffing the whole house down where Ziggy was at. Goodness, guys, y'all got me moving all around this house. In a second, Kira will be waking up from her nap, and I'll bring her down to eat. So see how they got a little stiff right there over the toy, so that I was watching to make sure there wasn't an issue. Oh, that was a little better. Oh, there's some play. Good. Good. Bella, you need to stop doing this. Hey. So, hey. And there, I just want to... They reared up, and sometimes if two dogs rear up and they're kind of head-to-head in a reared position like that for too long, that can also be the precursor to a little spat. So I was trying to get that to back off. That's the baby's toy area. Zig, don't hump. Good boy. So see, there, he knew before I even actually had the words out, he started to back off from her. He knew I was fixing to correct that. So that's really good. I don't know what Betsy's doing. She is just like very, very intently inspecting the whole house. Oh, I know what she's doing. You're looking for bones. That's Betsy's favorite thing to do. Come back in from outside play and chew on the bones. She's going, where did all the bones go, man? Alright, let me stop this video because my phone's fixing to die, and I can focus a little more on the doggies.